Okay, so a little log to close the night. I apologize for the nature sounds, but I live in a farm. It is what it is. It's been some productive days, so I can't really complain. A lot of stuff got done. One of the things that I thought was going to be way more difficult, which was migrating thumbnails out of IPFS, has been accomplished. I upgraded the upload mechanism, so it's completely transparent to the users. And now all the images are going to images.hive.blog, which is the image server maintained by GTG and Blocktricks. Now that said, everything was working amazing, and then today that server crashed. I don't know what is happening. I suspect it's related to Cloudflare. I suspect one of the conversations I keep on seeing on the dev spaces is how we've centralized the internet because of Cloudflare. But the point being is that Images Hive blog has been down for a few hours. Now, I have been using Images Hive blog also for my own app, for Snapie, and it's been working great for a long time as well. And it was to the point where I, stupidly so, thought I didn't need a fallback. Now I know that I do. So I spent the rest of the afternoon building a very simple fallback, I guess, image server. Something that I can easily upload an image to, and it would kick back a URL that you can access, and that way I can set up a proxy, an image proxy server, and service it from there. And on that department, there's some very easy to deploy open source proxy servers that I'm probably going to look into. But the first things first, I wanted to have something very simple, very fast to deploy, that can take uploads from our apps. So I guess the next steps is going to be to put that fallback system into Snapie, my app, so that even if the main server is down, I have a fallback. Fun fact, I used to have a fallback Cloudinary, and I let that go because Images Hive blog was working great and I didn't want to pay extra. Again, a lesson learned right here. But 3Speak did not have a fallback, does not have a fallback. So that's about to change maybe as soon as tonight, or maybe tomorrow. Tonight I'm going to finish I'm almost done. So I'm going to finish this little service, microservice, and then tomorrow I'll work on integrating it to 3Speak. Now, this kind of reminds me of one of the lessons that I think I learned a long time ago, and I keep on forgetting because it's so easy to forget, where you believe that you build a robust system, something that is going to work really well, right? You think you design something that is solid, and you get, I guess the word would be cocky, or you're depending on somebody else's system, on somebody else's skills or time. And then Murphy attacks. Then something doesn't work. And then you are left like we are right now, waiting for someone to reply a message. So if I can give myself a piece of advice, myself from the future, is even if things look super solid, even if a server has been up for years, and there's just no way it's going to fail, and yeah, just go ahead and use it. A server, a service, it doesn't matter. Still, think about the worst case. Think about how your app, how your service, how your website is going to survive, I guess you could say, the bad times, and how you can build in fallbacks and fail safes into the system. So yeah, so now I have a brand new app for Mantequilla Soft, a brand new service. Of course, open source is everything that I do. And of course, it's going to be called Snapie Image because, yeah, everything has that branding nowadays. All right, that's it. Back to work for me.